we've got quite the dynamic weather week ahead of us as we expect dry and sunny conditions today, followed by a winter storm tomorrow, then cold Thursday and Friday, and by the time the weekend rolls around, we can be looking at spring-like weather across much of the Twin States and the Southeast. Currently outside, the calm before the storm, sunny skies, partly cloudy conditions. Temperature of 36 has warmed up quite nicely. We were in the mid-20s earlier this morning. Once again, already warmed up to 36 with a light north wind at 7 miles per hour. And the big story continues to be winter weather watches. All of northern Mississippi and much of northern Alabama are under a winter storm watch from tomorrow into Thursday morning, and that's because we have quite the dynamic system taking shape. Currently outside on our Campus Connect satellite and radar, not much going on, clear conditions for much of Mississippi, some low clouds burning off over into Alabama, but as we look off to the west into Oklahoma and Texas, you begin to see what looks to be a storm system getting itself together, and we're going to expect that to dive south as we head into tomorrow as we have an area of low pressure centered along the Mississippi Gulf Coast. Cold air in place across much of the southeast, and that low pressure is going to begin to pump moisture up into the northern part of our area, and with that we can expect snow to the northern and south, or rain to the southern part of the state. The I-20 corridor looks to be the dividing line between rain and snow, and even Futurecast has really got a good hold on this system. For today, clear conditions all across the Twin States and the Southeast. But as we head into tomorrow morning, we're going to see that storm system really getting its act together back in eastern Texas. And then by the time we head into Wednesday evening, look at that. Rush hour could be quite snowy across much of the area. Once again, Futurecast showing the I-20 corridor. South of that, a cold rain on tap. North of that, very snowy, and we could see anywhere from a dusting to a couple of inches of snow, anywhere from Meridian to Starkville over to Huntsville and Birmingham, Alabama. And then as this system rapidly exits the state on Thursday, looks to be very cold and clear conditions. But for today, 45 degrees, partly cloudy, continued chilly. Those light northwest winds will north winds will continue even into tonight, but increasing clouds, and it's going to be very cold. 23 degrees tonight, and then tomorrow looks to be a cloudy day. Afternoon snow, 44 degrees, northeast wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour, and your Campus Connect 5-day forecast. Once again, snow mostly Wednesday afternoon, then we really get cold Thursday morning, 36 degrees, and if we have snow on the ground, it could be struggle to reach the lower 30s if that. Warm up rapidly as we head into Friday and get ready for this. A wonderful weekend on tap, 53 on Saturday, 61 on Sunday. So we got to get through this system, but then spring-like air returns by the weekend, and it could last in the next week. This has been your Campus Connect forecast. Thanks for logging on.